I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me, kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fall clean and decorate with me. I have been in the fall season, even though it is not fall outside. I definitely wanted to bring fall season into the house today, so that's what I'm doing. I am cleaning up my bedroom because look at it, it needs it, and I definitely just neglected this area for a very long time, and so it definitely needed this cleaning. But I will be giving you 3 different episodes. Episode 1 is this one, which is my bedroom. Episode 2 will be the living room and dining room, and then episode 3 will be the front porch. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and here we go.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anyone who may be new watching. But my name is Courtney, and I do cleaning videos, decorate with me videos, makeovers, any type of homemaking. I love doing those types of videos. So if that's something that you were interested in or you like to watch, make sure you push that subscribe button. And throughout this video, I decided I wanted to do a this or that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the first this or that right now, and throughout this video you can just comment down below your answer, and I will leave down in the comment section my answers.
I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
So these bags are from my closet. I did some major decluttering because I got new clothes, and so I wanted to get rid of some of these old clothes that I wasn't even wearing anymore. So I decided to kind of keep them there for a little bit just to make sure I didn't need them. But now that I know I don't need them, I'm going to go ahead and take them to the Goodwill.
I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light.
So before I started this video, I went ahead and put some laundry in, and they were done by the time I got to this part. So I just went ahead and folded those up, and of course I'm going to use some YouTube magic just so you won't have to watch me put it away. So the last thing I needed to do was go ahead and vacuum and mop the floors because, again, this room has been neglected. The school year started and still no excuse, but it was just crazy. But thankfully I had a break, and so I'm getting everything cleaned up. And I will just say, when your room is clean and your house is clean, you just feel so much better. You don't feel so much stressed out like I've been feeling, and I can tell my anxiety has definitely gone down because of it. And I just need to do a better job at like keeping that space clean, especially when I come home to it. Like, that's the space I come home to. And so anyway, now we're just gonna pull out the fall stuff and get to the decorating.
Now I know why it never worked out before. Hello, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line.
So I just wanted to make sure that, you know, I didn't go overboard in my bedroom, just because like this is the space that I sleep in. But these flower picks are something new that I got from Hobby Lobby. And these pumpkins, I got 2 of them I got from Hobby Lobby, which I didn't end up using them in my bedroom, but you'll see them in the next episode. And I got some more things from Hobby Lobby, but you'll see those in the next episode. But I also got this throw pillow, or this throw blanket from Target, and it was pink, and those are the colors I really have in my bedroom, pink and the navy blue. So when I saw it, I just knew that it would match perfectly, and that was it. I didn't really buy anything else from the stores.
Sometimes, but I know we're safe. 2 peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on the show. And baby, I don't mind it. Living prop, they don't get it. That we are 2 peas in a pod.
So I've been wanting to like have a basket just full of pumpkins, and I decided I'm just going to do it on my bed. I have this blanket that I usually use on my bed, and I have this little crate, and I had all these pumpkins, and so I just went ahead and did that there. And then I just used the pillows that I've always been using on my bed, and I just think it turned out cute. But let me know what you think. Like, do you think that looks good, or should I change it back into the little tray? But just let me know. So I want to go ahead and just answer this or that. Definitely watching football. I love Alabama football. So that is definitely my answer. When it's fall time, it means that it is Alabama football time.
I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters.
So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got inspired for the fall time, and don't forget to push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on episode 2 and 3. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Got nothing left.